Hey you guys, I'm Ange, the Pinay Exchange. Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook another popular Filipino dish. This dish is, I think, one of the most favorite during, during a drinking session or, having drinks with friends and all, and it's called sisig. This is basically made from pig face. Pero today, I'm just gonna use pork belly. As you know, here in the US, medyo mahirap humanap ng pig face eh. So, pork belly lang tayo for today. Pero yun, I'm going to show you how I make it. Again, this is my own recipe. Bale, for today, I'm going to do types of pork belly. Isang grilled, kasi normally ginigrill talaga yun yung pig face. And then isang deep fried, para lang magkaroon din ng konting crunch yung sisig natin, okay? So, I'll show you what the ingredients are. Our main ingredient is pork belly, aromatics like onion, garlic, a lot of chili, and lemon lime or calamansi in Tagalog. For the sauce, I chose to use Pamasita sisig sauce, but if you want to do it from scratch, you can easily look up for the recipe online. And before anything else, we have to prep our pork belly. So, pinakuluan ko siya dito sa isang bowl. As you can see, I put garlic, peppercorns, bay leaf, and a lot of salt. And then, we have to boil it until it becomes fork tender. Now, once that's done, all you need to do is put it in the freezer para lang maging mas crispy siya. And since this is a savory and rich dish, I decided to pair it with a classic Mexican salad. It's called pico de gallo. So, just a quick story. This is something I learned from my coworkers back when I was an intern in this Lake Tahoe resort. I specifically learned it from my Mexican coworkers in the kitchen. So, this is a shout out to the wonderful and amazing cooks from that hotel. I worked with them back in the day. Man, that was like what? 7 years ago, I think. So ayan, we started by grilling the one part of the pork belly. And then on the other side, I started heating up the oil for our crispy pork belly. You know, when I was doing this entire episode, it was a very, very sunny and warm day. So perfect day for grilling. So quick story time lang, yun yung asawa ko. So foreigner kasi siya. He's an American guy, and ito yung isa sa mga paborito niya talagang pagkain na Pinoy, sisig. Tapos, hindi naman kasi siya mapili sa totoo lang. So, talagang magana siya pag ang kinakain, and napapakanin siya talaga. Actually, what I like about my husband is very acquainted na rin talaga siya sa mga pagkain Pinoy. Kaya walang issue pagdating sa mga restaurants, pag pumupunta kami, hindi siya ganun kapili. Siguro ang hindi mo lang mapapakain sa kanya is liver masyado. Although kumakain naman siya. Kaya nga itong dish natin for today, walang liver. Very foreigner friendly. Kasi for them, yung liver, very irony yung taste. So, medyo hindi nila type yun. Tayo kasi, it doesn't matter, di ba? Kasi originally, ang sisig naman talaga is, ang sisig talaga, hinahaluan mo rin yan ng konting liver, di ba? Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ang alam ko yung ibang recipe, yun nga yung hinahalo nila dun sa mismong sisig Parang, ginagrind nila yung liver. Yun yung sinasama sa sauce yun. I think yun yung original recipe. So, medyo foreigner friendly yung pagkain natin today. Just because, syempre, para makain din naman ng asawa ko. No? So, next is ito naman. Ito naman yung i-deep fry natin. Hinaan natin yung apoy para maluto natin ng maayos. So here's the thing, you guys. Mamantika talaga yung food na to kasi it's pork belly. Pero, you don't have to deep fry it. If you want to air fry it, it's really up to you. It's just that for me, I get the best results kapag dini-deep fry ko yung pork belly kasi. So, ayun. Finally, na-grill na natin yung itong part ng pork belly tsaka yung another half, dinip fry nga natin. So, at this point, i-chop na natin siya para magisa na natin siya. Okay? Okay ba? And finally, igigisa na rin natin ang sisig natin. So, in goes the onion and then garlic, and make sure that your cast iron is super hot. Dapat nagsisizzle yan eh. At this point, naaamoy ko na mabango na yung onion and garlic, so ilagay na natin yung pork belly. Ito yung tinantad natin earlier. And dahil sisig ito, kailangan may konting kick. Let's add in our chilies. Siling labuyo, pwede yan, or serrano chilies. Kung nasa Amerika kayo, pwede rin yan as long as manghang. And then don't forget your sisig sauce. Once again, mamasitas lang tong gamit ko. But if you prefer to make the sauce from scratch, you can easily look that up on Google. And last but not the least, do not forget to add your egg. Sabi nga nila, sisig won't be sisig without the egg. It will only be sis. Huh?
Actually, pinahirapan ko pa yung sarili ko. Pwede ko namang inihaw lahat eh. Actually, masarap yung inihaw. Sa totoo lang ah. Sarap. Bagay talaga siya sa beer, guys. Personally, I've had my fair share of inuman nights with friends, yun. Ang dami kong storya niyan kasi usually after work before. By the way, I used to work for ABS-CBN. So nung mga kabataan ko pa, ayun, after work, ayun, nagkalat yung mga bars dun sa Quezon City sa may Mother Ignacia Street, no? Saya, dami kong memories of those inuman nights, you know, drinking sessions with friends. Usually, yung usapan dyan about work, yung mga kinabibisitan mong tao sa trabaho, yung stress, and of course, hindi mawawala yung usapan about love life. Ayan, diba? Diyan nagkakaroon ng mga aminan. Ayun, personally, ako talagang marami akong memories over beer and sisig. Kasi affordable din ito. Affordable din siya. I wouldn't dive deep into how sisig came about because I'm pretty sure you guys already know the origins of sisig. So, hindi na. Ang kagandahan with sisig, it's like adobo. You can practically make sisig out of anything now. Para siyang cooking technique na. Pag sinisig, usually meron niyang maraming sibuyas and then garlic and then yung maasim-asim na matamis. Maasim, actually hindi siya matamis eh. Maasim-asim na maalat-alat na lasa. Basta masarap siya, very distinct at saka savory. Ayun, may konting toyo yan eh, usually yung sauce. Pero yun na nga, dahil gusto ko na yung lasa ng mamasitas, yun na lang yung ginamit ko. Don't judge me ha. Pero minsan, kung ano yung madali sa akin, yun na rin yung ginagawa ko eh. Pero actually, hindi nga madali to kasi kung nakita nyo, nag-ihaw tayo, nagprito tayo, dami akong ginayat, 'di ba? So, yun.
And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Follow and subscribe to my channel, The Pinay Exchange. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.